Welcome to Vanguard Canine.
Where we supply all your training needs. Have your dog trained today.
This is the sire to the puppies, Nico Vanguard. And this is actually from a movie, and this is a clip from the movie Malinois, where he starred. Nico is a serious working Malinois, and these puppies will possess that same trait because the dam and the sire both have those traits. Feel free to contact us at vanguardk9@yahoo.com if you're interested in a puppy, and reserve your puppy today.
Buy now online using our PayPal payment system. Have your dog trained today.
You know, that's what we're looking for. I mean, I'm really, myself, I would love a dog with high drive. I mean, just watch the focus on this dog. He has the drive to just surpass any working canine. Man, that's nice puppy there.
So cute.
Dark puppy with strong, rich arm. And, you know, that's actually a Shepherd. Across the Malinois, there's another Malinois female off of Nico doing a retriever from Mr. Alexis out of Mia. Nice female puppy. Those puppies, that's the foundation right there.
Being a single mom and not liking guns, I would prefer to have a canine available to protect us.
Malinois produce other working Malinois. There you go. First jump right across. That's some of the foundational work.
Buy now online. There goes that working Shepherd again. Watch that bite.
Wow. Wow, that was a wonderful bite there. You know, I love to see puppies when they're active like that. That lets you know that's a healthy litter. You know, you don't get too many puppies that act like that. You know, look at the father. Full bite. Focused. I think he's going to take some abuse here. You know, show you that he's stable. Watch it. Okay. Vanguard K9. Contact us if you're interested in a puppy at 904-764-4043. There's a healthy puppies right there nursing with their mom. You can email us at vanguardk9@yahoo.com. We look forward to talking to you and working with your future working puppy from Vanguard K9. It'll be ready December 7th. Hurry, call us and reserve your puppy today.
Where we supply all your training needs. Buy now online using our PayPal payment system.